Conquer leaf piles with the WORX WG430 Leaf Mulcher. Tired of endless leaf bags? Discover how the WORX WG430 can transform your yard cleanup. The WORX WG430 13-amp electric leaf mulcher is designed to make yard work easier. It efficiently mulches leaves, reducing them to a fraction of their original size. This tool is perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and landscapers alike. This mulcher boasts a 13-amp motor for powerful performance. It can mulch up to 53 gallons of leaves per minute. Say goodbye to endless bagging and hello to efficient yard maintenance. The WORX WG430 features a bladeless flex-align mulching system. This system is safe, efficient, and requires no tools for cutting line replacement. It turns 11 bags of leaves into just one. This mulcher is lightweight at only 20 pounds, making it easy to move around your yard. It's also easy to assemble and disassemble for convenient storage. The clean air motor cooling system reduces dust. The 13-amp motor delivers 8,500 RPM, accommodating a 13-inch cutting diameter. The mulcher achieves an impressive 11:1 mulch ratio. This means less waste and more space in your yard waste bags. The mulcher is designed to dispose of leaves directly into a bag, not included. This makes cleanup quick and easy. It's a significant time saver compared to traditional raking and bagging. The WORX WG430 has a 4.2-star rating with over 6,800 reviews. Users praise its effectiveness at mulching leaves and small branches. Many find it easy to assemble and use. Some users note that the blades, trimmer lines, need occasional replacement. Others recommend wearing a mask due to dust generation. Overall, the reviews are positive, highlighting its efficiency and convenience. Pros: powerful motor, high mulching capacity, easy assembly, and portable design. It's also an eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered mulchers. Cons: bag is not included, and it may not be ideal for wet leaves or extremely large branches. You can find the WORX WG430 13-amp electric leaf mulcher on Amazon. Check the product page for the latest price and availability. Don't miss out on this efficient yard cleanup solution. Ready to ditch the endless leaf bags and simplify your yard work? Click the link in the description to check out the WORX WG430 on Amazon. Read customer reviews, compare prices, and order yours today to experience the difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews and gardening tips.